Hello everyone, so today we're going to go over why today was a perfect execution day with no mistakes in under 10 minutes, and this is how much I've made today, $1,129 or $277 in 10 minutes. So let's go over that right away. And so let's just go to the shorts, there we go. Okay, so coming into the day, let me just remove this, okay. Coming into the day, so firstly, we have a daily gap right here that we respected yesterday. And we went and closed below. In the 4 hours yesterday, we had inverted this one. And so yesterday was bearish. But today, we had swept the lows of the day, of the previous day. And we had inverted this 4 hour gap. Closed above. So now we're currently bullish, in which we were reacting to this, either reacting to this 4 hour highs or reacting to this 4 hour gap. So my if-then scenario for today was simple. My if-then scenario was closure above 4 hour highs, longs, reaction on 4 hour highs, closure below gap, shorts. This is my if-then scenario for the day. And basically, what happened was, as soon as the session started, we swept the lows inside the 4 hour gap, and we literally quite aggressively closed up the HA highs, and we literally engulfed the entire range, and I was leaning more bullish here. Still, with the rules that I implemented last week, so I did not trade when we were reacting bearish from key levels. What I did was, since my model is the right side of the V model, so it's on the right side, my idea was that, well, the 50-minute is not closing. It did close above, but it's not creating a gap yet. It did create one here, it's very small. So my idea is, okay, we did not have a really clear 50-minute trending yet, but if the 5-minute will hold, then if I have a confirmation, it means that most likely we're going to have an expansion, and my idea is right. So that's what I based off of it. And so we have a 5-minute gap right here. Okay. We retraced to 50% of the 5-minute gap and to 50% of the entire range as well. Okay, and so as soon as we got to the 50%, it's not a rule that I implement, but that's when the market started to displace. And right here, we almost had a displacement here. We didn't. Price came back lower, then went higher. I simply did my new entry rules, which is the 50% of the range. Right here, 50% here, with the 0.9 entry. And I targeted 1.75. Well, I think this trade was a 1.9 or something, 1.8. Yeah, this account was a bit longer trade. Something like this. But yeah, that was basically the trade. I think it was very perfect. I did not react. I held here, and as soon as we started displacing higher, when I was in the trade, this is what was going on in my mind. So I was in the trade, we got tapped into. The 1 minute was reacting here. When we were in this trade right away, I can just go over it in time to show you guys actually. Let me just remove all of this. So let me go over here. So when we were in this trade, we had a 5-minute gaps against me, and price reacted from the highs here. But I was still taking into consideration the context. And so what happened was I got tapped into, right? Wait, let me just do that again. Okay. So I got tapped into, so now I'm in trade, right? And we can create a gap here. Okay. And so I was okay with it, and then price went all the way up and then closed below the gap. I was like, okay, this is not very good. So we have a 5-minute, and the 50-minute is not actually looking the cleanest for longs. And the 1 minute is actually been going against me as well. So I was waiting for see if price was going to actually just continue to disrespect this 1 minute a lot or just close above it. Eventually closed above it. And this is when I trailed myself to here. We close above this one. And then I trailed myself here. And then it went to be basically just, that's basically the trade. Looks so easy. And looks so easy here. But yeah, this 10 minutes looked like fucking 1 hour. But yeah. Yeah, it was an amazing day. Loved it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to take a bit longer on doing the trading from zero and stuff because I want to up the production level. I think I can do much better. My ideas are on another level to what I've made. And I really cannot do them. I cannot do justice to these ideas by doing like the normal storytelling and the normal type of editing that I'm doing. It's going to take a while. I have to practice talking to the camera. I have to practice filming myself in public. I have to practice a lot of things. So first I want to do like a practice video for another topic. So I'll do that. And this weekend's, there might not be a video. There might be. I'm not sure. I had an idea for a video, but I'm not sure I want to do that yet. So we'll see. We'll see. But I'm going to try and make like at least one video every 2 weeks, one long form, like high quality. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.